Hey, Carrie here, My Cloud Bookkeeping. I am so excited. I'm going to do some live trainings. And I'm going to do this on the bank feed. So the reason I've chosen this topic is because so many people are still coming to me because their bank balance is way off, their sales figures are off, they've duplicated their transactions, and it's because they haven't understood how the bank feed works properly. So what I want to go through is some training on what is the bank feed? What do the different tabs mean? Why does QuickBooks suggest all of these random things that you know are not correct? We'll look at matching versus adding. And if we have time, we'll get into bank reconciliations as well. So at the moment, I'm planning on 3 different sessions, and I'll set out what's going to be in each one, but I'm so pumped. This is so exciting. So if you're interested in some free live sessions, I'm not too sure if it's going to be Facebook Live or Zoom, but we'll work out the details. So sign up on that link below. I'll make sure you get all of the information you need, and I really hope to see you there. It would be so exciting to get to meet some of the people who I've been working with on YouTube for all this time and I haven't even met. So click the link, sign up below. I'll send you all the information, and let's get into the bank feed together. Cheers.